Wasser, hä?
Ganz
Flüssig,
viel, ja.
gell? Wasser.
Look at this views. Oh my gosh. Very nice. Very nice place. Natalugan ha. Natilugan sa incoming vehicles. Okay.
Saan?
Ayun na. Kung na nagdiretso dito. Ini jibag-baga ng faktorya. Di chocolate. Apa nga datita? Baka dati dalan ni dyan pakas dyan.
Mata, pantay ta ako. Mall. Madam-madam siguro mapantay yan.
Kena no, yung factory ka tayo video ko madaya agar araming chocolate. Simbaga na eh.
10 minutes.
Kastoy. Ay na gymol aya dita. Kita ka na tapon. Oh. Ayun nakita nga rin eh. Yan yan. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Tubo ko nga dito na pa yun. Kaliyo. Tubo ka. I'm looking for that kangkong, you know the kangkong?
What's that?
And the Filipino vegetable.
Aha!
Hi, Alicia.
Yeah.
How are you?
It's a pity that the weather is not so nice because actually you can see the mountain very close. And here is also a very nice mountain up there.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
There's
It's
still
all
snow
full
over
of
there.
clouds.
What's that cross right there on the top?
Yeah, that's just where you can walk up there. And you
Oh,
can
really?
hike up there.
Wow.
And then you have a view, you know. See there's a bridge over
And
there.
also there's a bridge over there.
Yeah,
See, look.
right. So I've been up there with the
Oh,
bike.
yeah?
Yeah,
Wow.
that's very nice. Yeah. But it's hard to come up with the bike. Yeah,
Yeah,
you
there's
can
a
go-
yes, you see
can
the
go
bridge
everywhere
right there.
up there.
You can walk,
Yeah,
but if you walk it, but probably take long.
yeah, it takes a long time. Yeah, because
It's a
you know,
bike.
Yeah, it's a hike.
See? How about these houses here? Are these apartment too?
Which one?
All of them?
Oh yeah, there are also apartments.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
But I like your area. It's very nice. And it's a quiet place. There is no like, it's not crowded.
Yeah, it's not crowded. And
Yeah.
there's
Yeah, I like it.
It's very silent.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I like the most. Because I don't like, like crowded
You-
areas
yeah,
with
yeah,
a lot
yeah,
of cars, a lot
They're
of
close to
Mhm.
the city.
yeah,
Oh my
a lot
God,
of
too
traffic,
loud.
a lot of people
Uh-huh.
everywhere.
I like a place that's too quiet. I like it.
Yeah, me too.
I don't like me talking. Too loud. Yeah.
You have to take another way now because
It's construction.
Oh, you went to shopping mall? Which one? Oh, really?
Hermes.
Where were you doing it? When was it?
Yeah.
We went to Zurich yesterday.
What street is that?
Bahnhofstrasse?
Oh, yes, yeah.
Bahnhofstrasse.
Yeah. Have you bought anything?
Oh yeah.
What my daughter bag.
Bag.
Yeah.
Wow, very nice.
And she buy also the earring.
My earrings too.
Oh, earrings?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, Gucci too. Yeah.
Nice.
Has 18 karat gold.
Yeah.
And I buy also my own shoulder bag.
Oh, very
First bag.
Wat hebben we doen?
Ja, we proberen het.
Maar niet doen gewoon met een boel van dit doen.
Ja,
Dank je.
ja, dank je.
Hallo.
Hello.
You know what he's been saying? He said if I can fit with my
Oh,
tummy,
okay. Yeah,
then
that's
everybody can fit.
Uh-huh.
O, dito tayo. Ano? Pili ka dito. Kapit-bahay tayo.
I know.
Ayan o, mga apartments dito.
Uh-huh.
Ganda, no?
Yeah.
Beautiful place.
Saka quiet. Ayaw ko yung maingay. Gusto ko ganito. Tahimik.
Sa amin, medyo maingay din, no?
Oo, dun sa inyo medyo na.
Kasi may mga kotse.
Yeah, dito sa kanila, I like it.
Mga kapit-bahay.
Gusto ko to.
Ganito gusto ko na. Gusto ko lumipat dito.
Ganda.
Pag nagluto ito. Hindi na yung malapit sa kanya. Hindi layo.
Mhm.
Next time. So, dito sa area na ito. Kahit ano lang, 3.5 lang.
Yeah.
Ayos na. Basta meron ano, just yan.
How many?
The kids?
Yeah, just one. How was it?
Tignan mo ang luwang ng kopya niya. Luwang.
Oh, really? Oh, yeah.
Kahit tayo magpalitrato dito, ito lang gagamitin ko. Kuhang-kuha niya.
Ganda pa ng quality.
Oo, quality talaga. Pero quality rin ng presyo. Ito ang ginagamit ng mga vlogger.
Ja, hierau.
So,
Schieben wir das da hinten drauf hängen. Hey, nein, jetzt hat sie meine Uhr verloren. Oh nein, da hinten.